Hello, my friend. Welcome to Fun English. Today we go shopping. Yes, we go to the supermarket. We will buy food, we will ask questions, we will talk with the cashier. Everything simple, everything fun. Are you ready?
Yes.
Imagine. Doors open. Beep, beep. We walk inside. Big supermarket. Bright lights. Shelves full of food. Wow! You see bread, rice, milk, fruit, vegetables, chocolate, shampoo, toothpaste. So many things.
Oh, so many things.
Yes, very good. Always speak with energy. First, let's greet. Listen. Hello.
Hello.
Perfect. You can also say, good morning, or hi. If you want to ask for help, say, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excellent. This is a magic phrase. You can use it anywhere. Now, you want bread. You ask, where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
Good. Another way, excuse me, where can I find the bread? You want milk. Say, where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
Wonderful. You can also say, can you tell me where the milk is? Let's try more. Repeat after me. Where is the rice? Where are the apples? Where is the sugar? Where is the juice? Excellent. These are very useful. The worker can answer, the bread is over there.
The bread is over there.
Very good. Or the worker may say, the milk is in aisle 3. Do you know aisle? It means the long line, the path between shelves. Imagine walking down the aisle. Food left, food right.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Perfect. You see apples. Big, red, shiny. You want to know, are these apples fresh? Say, are these apples fresh?
Are these apples fresh?
Good. Another way, is this bread fresh today? Or, is the chicken fresh? You can also ask, is this fruit sweet? Or, are these bananas ripe? You take an apple. You ask, how much is this apple?
How much is this apple?
Perfect. The worker may say, it is $1, or $2 for one bag. More examples. How much is this rice? How much is the juice? What is the price of this bread?
How much is the juice?
Very good. Let's play a little game. I say the food, you ask the question. Ready? How much are the eggs?
How much is the chocolate?
I like that one. Now you have your basket full. Bread, milk, apples, chocolate. You go to the cashier, smile, and say, hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Excellent. The cashier says, I'm fine, thank you. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Good. Or, no thank you, I have my own bag. Then the cashier says, your total is $10.
Here you are.
Perfect. You can also say, I pay by cash, or I pay by card. After paying, you can say, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excellent. The cashier may answer, you too. Sometimes you want to be friendly. You can say, this supermarket is big.
This supermarket is big.
Good. Or, the fruit looks fresh today. Or, wow, So many choices.
Wow, so many choices.
Very good. Friendly talk makes shopping happy. Always be polite. Say, thank you. Thanks a lot. That's very kind.
Thank you.
Excellent. Another one. I appreciate your help. Repeat with me. I can shop in English. I can ask where things are. I can ask prices politely. I can talk to the cashier. I can be friendly and polite. Shopping is easy with English. I am brave. I can speak. Wonderful! You sound strong and confident. Now, let's practice full shopping. I am worker. You are shopper. Ready? Hello. Can I help you?
Hello, where is the rice?
The rice is in aisle 4.
Thank you.
Do you want fruit?
Yes, where are the apples?
Apples are over there. They are fresh today.
How much are the apples?
$3 for one bag.
Okay, I will take it.
Today, we learned English for shopping in the supermarket. We said, hello. We asked, where is the bread? We asked price. How much is this? We talked to the cashier. We paid. We practiced positive sentences. Remember, speak simple. Smile. Don't worry about grammar. Little by little, you will grow confident. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.